Hello, dear friends. I am Andrea Cavalcante from Love It by Andrea, and today I am going to talk about my November Ipsy Glam bag. And before we start, I am so happy to be here again. I know that it has been like a while since my last English video, but I needed some time, but here I am back, and let's start this video. Just to let you guys know that this video is not sponsored by Ipsy. Let's start talking about the Ipsy Glam bag of November, and I don't know why, but I loved the design of the bag. So it has that sophistication feeling, you know. I like it. Even look, the mix of colors, you know, the brown and off-white and blue, I like it, really like it. So I got 5 products.
As usual.
It's been a while that Ipsy is allowing you to choose one of your products. They send you an email. You have to choose like in 1-2 days, and then if that time is up, it's up. You cannot choose. They're gonna choose for you. The product that I chose, it was the Tatcha, the Deep Cleans. I love to have these small bottles for whenever you travel, but hold on, my dear. Who is traveling? I am not. So yeah, but anyways, I like to try different types of cleansers, so this is why I chose it. But now let's go to what they chose for me. I love Glow Recipe. I love their watermelon face mask. So I got the Banana Soufflé Moisture Cream. This is a calming and hydrating face moisturizer, and since I have rosacea, since it's calming, I am really going for it, so I hopefully it's gonna work for me. But if you don't know, now I am starting a highlight on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please, here, Love It by Andrea. I'm gonna put a highlight there. I already started. It's called Empties. So all the Empties products, they are gonna be there with my thoughts about that product. Okay, so this one definitely is gonna be there. Now I got like 3 makeup related products. The first one was the Juice Smith. I never heard about this brand, but it is a all-day lipstick in the shade Namaste. So let me try it here on top of the one that I have. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Oh, very comfortable. I like it. I really like it. Smells good. Good surprises. And I got the I think it's pronounced like that, Kokie Professional Soft Glow Highlighter. Natural finish, unique texture, blendable, in the shade Rosy. Oh my gosh, love the package. Love it. Oh my goodness. Now I need to get a brush. Wait a second. Woo, high back. Okay, let's try this one. Beautiful. Mm-hmm. I like it. Let me show you here. Whoa. Beautiful. And the last product, it was this angled concealer detailer brush. So it's like this. I told you guys that this video was gonna be quick, right? So I will keep you guys posted on whenever I like these products or not. And next week, yes, there is another video next week. I will be posting a look that I did using only Ulta makeup brand. You know what I mean? Like Ulta brand that I never used before. I never used any Ulta makeup brand. So it's gonna be the first impressions. Stay tuned next week. I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends. And also don't forget to leave a comment here and to subscribe to this channel. On the comment, say, what are you going to do on Thanksgiving week? Let me know what you're gonna do. Okay, see you next week. Bye.